If you want to close your X account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. Step 1. Login. Access your X account by entering your username and password on the website or app. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or the settings icon. Step 3. Find account deactivation option. In the account settings menu, look for the option related to account deactivation or closure. This may be labeled as deactivate account or close account. Step 4. Follow the prompts. Click on the deactivation option and follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to provide a reason for leaving or to confirm your decision. Step 5. Confirm closure. After following the prompts, confirm that you want to close your account. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully closed. Remember to download any important data or information from your account before closing it, as you may lose access to it permanently.